What's up everybody, it's Lo and I'm about to show you all how to make the best homemade dog food. And these two are who I'm making it for. Today I'm making my world famous rice burger meal. Alright, it's not famous yet, but it's gonna be. For this recipe you're gonna need a pack of frozen peas and carrots, a 2-pound bag of brown rice, 3 pounds of lean ground beef, 93% lean, and the other 7% fat. See, it's mathing. And here are these two goofballs again. They get along very good, and they just love to play. Aw, Remi, a Pomeranian Chihuahua mix who's being extra cute right now. She's the real guard dog of the house, but don't y'all tell Rallo I said that. Oh, speaking of Rallo, he's an 85-pound American Pit Bull Terrier. Just a cool and laid-back dog. Now that I've got 64 ounces of water boiling, let's add some rice. We're adding 5 cups of rice, basically the entire 2-pound bag of rice to the pot. Boil vigorously, then cover, reduce the heat, and simmer for about 18 minutes while stirring occasionally. All right, so let's get this lean ground beef popping. Just add it to the skillet on medium heat. Just chop it on up with a spatula until it's lightly brown. See, I'm a good chopper. Still chopping. See, it's lightly brown. Let's turn it down and let that sit. Now it's basically ready for the mix. Now it's time to add the peas and carrots. Allow them to cook in with the rice for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. It looks like the rice, peas, and carrots are ready. So now it's time to add the ground beef. Go ahead and slowly add the beef into the pot. Make sure not to lose any of it. Yeah, that's it. Scrape all of the grease in there too. It'll give it more flavor and your doggies will love it. Mix everything up in the pot so that all of the ingredients is distributed evenly. Look at it. It's ready. I'm sure Rallo can't wait. I knew it. He's always ready for dinner, but Remi is too. I normally put the rice burger meal on a paper plate to cool off before I serve it on up. Voila! What do you think? I typically give Remi small portions, but today I gave her a little something extra. Look at her. She loves it. You love it, don't you, girl? That's her appreciation look. Here's your meal, Rallo. Enjoy. Look at him. He's going in on it. You like, don't you? After feeding them, I store the remaining food in a container and place it in the refrigerator. Remi and Rallo normally eat off this particular recipe for about 4 days. It all depends on the size of your doggies and the portions you decide to serve them. There it is.